Hello, welcome to a new unboxing and test. Today will be the new helicopter from WLtoys, the big size model and in a brushless version. So today will be the V913, okay, in brushless motors. Okay, so the main novelty is the presence of main brushless motors, and I will now proceed the unboxing. So what you find in the box here, you will find the helicopter, of course. So it's very similar to the brushed versions, and you will see first the presence of the brushless version motor there. Okay, I will detail later what maybe some novelty are present. What you will find some spare blade, some spare main blade, and a rotor tail one. Okay. What you will find also, you will find the power adapter as well with charger. Okay. And what you will find, you will find the remote control as well as the instruction manual. So the remote control is exactly the same size than and the same model that the former one. Okay, so I will try to figure out the difference with the former model. So here the brushed model, here the brushless model. So you can see exactly the same. Maybe the same. The main difference, you will see that when it's in mode 2 here, it's targeted on left, and on this one is targeted on right. Okay, already modded my the former remote control to activate the turbo boost mode. Okay, and you will see that this mode is still working on the new model. So to figure out the main difference of the new brushless model, I will show you the former model. Okay, this is a brushed version, so the V913 brushed version. So in the first glance you can see that there is a lot of similarities between both. They are sharing more than 95% of the spare parts. Okay, so from an external point of view, you can't see any real difference between the two versions. Well, the main novelty which can appear immediately is they improve the vertical tail in order to avoid some shock. Okay, because before the former one was shorter, I already modded on my former one in order to avoid that, so it is not the original tail for the brush version. So now they include a longer one, so it's avoiding that the tail blade is hitting the ground. So it's good news. And if I open the canopy, okay, you will see the brushless system. Okay, so I remove the canopy there, and now you will see the main novelty. So the main novelty there, you will see the ESA controller for the brushless system. So well, the attachment system is very strange, directly on the lipo with a strap. Well, for instance, is not very a good situation. So, but you will see on the main board, okay, this new cable, this new wire, picking directly the PMW signal in order to give to the ESC controller. So, compared to the former model, you have this new connector in order to capture the signal. So the ESC controller is attached like this on the lipo, but if you inspect well the situations, especially on the rear part of the helicopter, it's possible, I guess, to put it on this room here in order to remove very easily your lipo and so on, or to change model of lipo. So it will be the first mode you will have to do in order to improve the situation, or in order to use another type of lipo, because this one is blocked by this system. So the shipped LiPo is 1500 milliampere per hour, so it's not bad. And what can I say more about the brushless system? The motor is branded to be manufactured by WLtoys itself, and it's written something like 480 kV, so I'm not sure it's the right speed of the motor, but if yes, it's not bad. So I will try to determine the amperage capacity of the AC controller. Okay, I guess it's something, at least something like 30 ampere. Okay, and I scale the new version of the helicopter. Okay, I will start to scale this helicopter. Okay, I will use this box in order to put the helicopter on. So I will turn and I will try to put again the canopy. Okay, and without the canopy it gives you something like more than 423 grams, so add 15-20 grams for the canopy. So it's turning around 440 grams, including the LiPo battery. So it's quite heavy, but the size of the helicopter is 30-50 size, so is not so bad. Okay, so if I start the motors, when you plug your GST connector, you will hear the AC starting on, so emitting some beeps. Okay, and you have to switch on the helicopter in order to power the main board. Okay, so I will put on the ground and okay, and use the remote control. Okay, one novelty of this new model, you can switch on or switch off the light by this button. So you can see it's a novelty compared to the brushed versions. Okay, and if you can see clearly the action of the swash, you can see that in low mode is limited like this. If I press on the left shoulder button, you will see an extension. Okay, and the turbo boost mode is still working. If I continue pressing, you can see it's even go higher in a higher position. So everything from the brush version is still existing on the brushless version. So unfortunately, they didn't improve the solidity of this swash linker to the head. So you know, when you are in turbo boost position, this part can break. Okay, so you still have to continue to mod it in order to make it more stronger. So unfortunately, all these parts of the head doesn't change at all. So they could at least improve maybe this the swash. Okay, so one is locked, is bind. The helicopter is bind. I will first try it. So you can see a lot of power. I'm going to trim it. Okay, but you can feel that the helicopter is taking off at 20% of the throttle, so it's very good compared to the former one. Okay, so I will hand this hand bushing and test. So this is a new brushless version of the V913, okay, including a 1800 kV brushless motors. There is a slight improvement compared to the former one. They improved the tail one, and you can now you can switch off the lights of the helicopter, okay, and it's still compatible with the former FlySky protocol, so you can bind it on your former 913 remote control, or if you have a Devo controller, a Walker Devo 7A for example, you will be able to bind your helicopter by inserting a 7100 radio frequency chip and installing your Deviation TX OS. So thank you for watching, and if you like it, subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. Okay, a small test to show that it's possible to bind the new brushless version of the WLtoys V913 with the Devo 7A, of course including the A7105 radio frequency chip, so you have to mode your controller. So first I will switch on the helicopter. Okay, switch on the LE and start my devotions. Okay, I will go to the menu setup and go to the FlySky protocol. Okay, it's my default model for using this one, and I will bind it. So you can see now it's working perfectly with the Devo. Bye bye.